Hello everyone, this is Steve with the Free Bullion Investment Guide. Today is July 13th and I'm doing a price analysis video for Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin's monthly chart, and I always start my videos out with the monthly chart, and namely on the MACD, mostly because I pay attention to the signal lines of the MACD to see if it's giving us any indication of what's going to happen in the price. It was giving us an indication since really late March and April. It was, as the lines were coming together, it was signaling that we were going to have a rally beforehand. Right now, I think we're really in consolidation mode in the rally. We've already made a golden cross. We made that a few weeks ago, but the RSI is leveling out. And really, let's take a look at the weekly chart. That's one chart that I've been paying attention to. All of my lines relate to the hourly charts, which I'll get to in a minute. But the weekly chart looks like it's getting in oversold territory big time in the RSI and the MACD, and the lines are pretty much getting a good distance apart from each other, more so than we saw back in the rally back here in mid and late 2017. We can see that the lines are getting further apart, and when the lines get further apart in the MACD, it's showing that things are getting oversold and that things are may change direction sometime shortly. So the the RSI is also in oversold territory, which may also be an ominous sign of really, I think, consolidation more so than, let me move to the 1 hour chart, excuse me. Consolidation more so than a downturn, but some may see it as a downturn because that's ultimately what it may turn out to be. I don't think it will see the price of Bitcoin. I'd be surprised if we see it go below 10,000, but even more so, I'd be surprised if we see it go below 85.50. But really, time will tell on everything. But on the this is the hourly chart. I just want to go over real quick what I went over last week in the video. I'd shown you this bull flag and both bull flags. The blue one was in relation to the daily chart, but you can also clearly see it on the hourly chart. And this red one was in relation to the 1 hour chart, which we're on right now. Basically right after I published my video, this red one was confirmed, and then within 24 hours, the blue one was confirmed. Bitcoin wasn't able to break 13,200 in that move up, but or stay above it, but it did break 12,450 as well as 11,800, which was really expected, but as we can see, it fell back below. And I'm going to move to the daily chart now to show you what I'm seeing as far as the future for Bitcoin goes. Now, I do see consolidation. I'd be very surprised if it drops below 10,000. Very, very surprised. Actually, let me move to the 4 hour chart. Sorry about all the movement here. I'm just trying to get everything to line up. Really what I'm seeing is another big old bull flag, but I think it's going to be continue to be created. I would be very surprised if the price of Bitcoin shoots up anytime, at least in the next week. I'm really expecting a whole lot more consolidation out of Bitcoin, really because of what the weekly chart is showing. The weekly chart is showing that it's in oversold territory, and that more sellers are coming in as far as the volume is concerned. So again, sorry for moving around so much here, but I am seeing a large bull flag. Now, as far as when it will be confirmed, it will basically, Bitcoin is going to have to shoot up above a lot of resistance levels, and I mean, it doesn't have to break the 13,900 level to break this bull flag, but that would likely be the outcome if it does break it. So we will have to see what happens and really pay close attention to how things move. But that's my outlook for Bitcoin. Even though it's trading inside a a large bull flag. I do expect more downside over the week to come, but I would be surprised if 10,000 is broken to the downside. But even if it is, I expect 8,550 to remain as support. But we'll really have to see what happens. So for now, I thank you for your time. Take care and God bless.